Does your health inspector love you? We don't want to brag, but health inspectors are kind of obsessed with us. If you don't know who we are, Cambro Manufacturing has been creating products for the food service industry for more than 70 years. You might say we know a thing or two about food safety, what to do and what not to do. One of the most common food safety violations is improper food temperature control. Inspectors check for food that is not stored, cooked, or reheated properly because it can promote bacterial growth, leading to foodborne illness. Make sure you're maintaining proper holding and storage temperatures, and check often. Another common and concerning one for those of us who like to go out to eat: poor personal hygiene. Prevent food contamination by ensuring you and your staff are properly washing their hands, wearing gloves or hairnets, and staying home if they feel sick. Speaking of contamination, cross-contamination can occur when bacteria from one food item is transferred to another. Inspectors look to make sure you're not using the same cutting boards or utensils for cooked and raw foods, and that raw meat is always stored below ready-to-eat foods. You think your cleaning and sanitizing practices are adequate, but are they? Inspectors check that food prep and storage areas are kept clean, and that all kitchen equipment is properly cleaned and sanitized. They won't be happy if they see dirty or cluttered kitchen areas, equipment, or utensils. We smell a rat, literally. Pests carry disease and can contaminate food, so inspectors check for signs of pest activity and proper pest control measures. Make sure you're controlling access points, keeping food properly sealed, and scheduling regular pest control services. If you have a question about food safety, comment below to get help from the experts.